This is Azure Tony,
and PK Claus.
and today we are going to clean the dishwasher. We had Active sent us a dishwasher cleaner, which Claus has right here, which is going to clean and deodorize the dishwasher. Now, we live in an apartment, so who knows the last time that it had been cleaned? You got these little pods right here that she just pulled away for some reason.
Show you the individually wrapped pods.
And you're supposed to do this every 2 weeks. So the package includes 24 of them, so it's enough for a full year. This will remove lime scale and old water that's all built up and yuck, as well as deodorize. So if you got a stinky smelling dishwasher there, it'll take the stink out. Because, well, if the dishwasher is not really clean, can you really say that your dishes are really clean?
No, you can't.
And a dishwasher has to be completely empty when you do this. Got to make sure you have no dishes whatsoever.
All right. Once you open the little individually wrapped pod, you see it's yellow on one side and blue on the other. We're going to put it in the dishwasher compartment cleaning thing. We'll close it up. And close our dishwasher. And lock it up so it's good. Put it on a normal cycle after I drop things on the floor.
And once you get it going there on a normal wash with everything empty, just let it go through. And when it's done, you're going to have to clean up probably a bunch of yuck, which is going to be great for us to do. Not, but we'll give a shoot to look what that looks like when it's all said and done.
Now we're going to show what it looks like after it's been all cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And it doesn't look that bad. Let's pull this out and we'll see. Looks all nice and clean after we used our cleaning product. Thank you for the company to providing this for us for a review, and this is a great product.